How to link iPhone to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using AirPlay, available on most newer Samsung Smart TVs. Step number 1, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connect your Samsung Smart TV and iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 2, enable AirPlay on Samsung TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. Go to Settings, General, Apple AirPlay Settings, and make sure AirPlay is set to On. Step number 3, start AirPlay on your iPhone. Open the content you want to stream on your iPhone, for example, a video or a photo. Swipe down to access the control center, then tap screen mirroring or the AirPlay icon in some apps. Step number 4, select your Samsung TV. In the screen mirroring or AirPlay menu, select your Samsung TV from the list. Enter the AirPlay code shown on your TV screen if prompted. Method number 2, using the Samsung Smart View app. Step number 1, download Samsung Smart View. Download and install the Samsung Smart View app from the App Store on your iPhone. Step number 2, connect to your TV. Open the app and ensure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Samsung TV. Select your Samsung Smart TV from the list of available devices in the app. Step number 3, grant permissions. Follow on-screen instructions to grant any necessary permissions on both the TV and the app. Step number 4, start casting. Use the app to browse and cast photos, videos, and music directly to your Samsung TV.